got us a vending machine!
Whoa, it looks very nice, Dad.
I think I will go for water. Nice! You guys also want a drink?
No thanks, Dad.
Okay.
Do you think they have orange? Maybe, I don't know. Avelina, look, orange! What? Did you break it? I don't know. You did break it. Yeah, but it didn't work. Yeah, because you forgot to put the coin. That's coming back. Oh! Get inside the machine, quickly! Okay.
Where's Akim?
He's sleeping in his room.
Sleeping? Weird.
Dad, what are you doing?
Me? I'm going to get another water. Is something wrong?
Wrong? No, of course not.
Huh?
Dad wants to drink something.
Orange? But I pushed water. Do you know what's going on?
Me?
Yeah, you. Do you see any more Avelinas around here? What's going on?
You wanted some water, right? Water!
Yeah, water. But there's something fishy going on in here.
Oh look! There's your water!
Huh. This is weird.
No, nothing weird, Dad. Good luck! Is he gone? Yes, he's gone. It worked.
Well. What do we have here? Now, which of you two broke my machine?
Hey, that's not fair!
Akim, did you break it?
Yes, sorry, Dad.
Don't worry, we'll get it fixed. But don't lie to me next time, okay?
Okay, sorry.
Did you want an orange drink? You can have mine. And Avelina, you wanted the water? Here, take it.
Yay! Thanks, Dad! Thank you!
You're welcome!
I really want those candies. But how do I get them? You know what? I'll just ask nicely this time. Hi, Akim!
Oh, hi, Amelia.
I was wondering, can I get those candies?
Let me think. Nope.
You like gaming, huh? Do you have the new BOGO game?
Of course.
Cool! Me too! Do you want to play?
Sure, I will beat you.
Ooh, so confident! If I beat you, can I take your gumballs?
Sure.
Nice. But here's mine. Let's fight?
Okay.
Fight!
That's all you got? Watch this.
The winner is Amelia!
Oh no!
Well, that was easy. And now that thing is mine.
There, Amelia. Did you want to play again? I have more candy.
So if I win, I get more candy. And if you win, you get this back. Deal. Easy peasy. Ready to get beaten again?
Uh-huh.
Oh no!
Oh yeah!
And the winner is Akim!
Do you want to play again?
No.
Again, prison! Boys are better. No, they're not. Yes, they are.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Boys and girls are all good. Guys, you know what? Why don't we play a game? Boys versus girls for fun.
Okay, but we all win. No, we all win.
Okay, we play a game. Who can stand on one leg the longest?
Cool.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh man!
Dance! Yes, we won. 1 for the girls, 0 for the boys. Losers, losers.
Okay. Well, next round then. Let's do who can run around the garden 2 times and be back into the house. The fastest.
Oh, we'll win that one. We're fast. You can go first.
Okay, here's my phone. Are you ready?
Red. 3, 2, 1, go! 25 seconds.
Now it's your turn, guys.
Ready.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh no, my shoe! Oh man, hurry! And how fast?
20.
Yeah. Do we win or not?
6. Ha! We won!
Not fair! Yeah! I had to lace my
also not fair. You know what? Let's play one more game.
Okay, we'll win it.
We will play a game who can sit still the longest. And the one who wins can put lipstick on the other all over their face.
Ooh, we like this game. You boys will be all with lipstick. No, you.
Okay, let's go. Okay, you guys ready? Here is the lipstick.
Yeah.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go!
What are they doing? It looks like they're not moving at all. I should check it out. Maybe I can do something fun. A lipstick. I am going to draw on all of them.
Ah, you lost it, Amelia. You moved first.